Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery life on ACER Predator 17. To check your battery life, simply go to the search and search for CMD. Click on enter and then type in power CFG. I'm gonna zoom that in for you in a moment. And then space / battery report without spaces here, and then I'm gonna zoom that in. I can't find the cursor. Okay, you can see this is the command that you should type in. Click on enter and now it tells you the path where it was saved. So as I zoom out for a moment, I can select that path. I'm gonna select it starting with C, ending with HTML without the dot at the end. Then click on Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy that path and go to File Explorer app. Click on the top bar and click on Ctrl V to paste that. Click on enter and it will open the browser of your choice. Now you'll see design capacity and full charge capacity, which are the most important. The bigger the difference here is, the worse the battery life is, because the design capacity is the capacity of the battery that was there when the laptop was fresh out of factory, fresh new, and all of that. And the full charge capacity is the current full capacity. So now I can see that it's 60,000 milliwatt hours, 60 watt hours, and it was 90 watt hours when it was new. So that will be around 66% battery health, pretty bad. Although it's still quite a big number. Most of laptops don't even have this capacity when they are fresh out of factory, but this laptop also uses lots of power because it has like components that use lots of power. So yeah, it's not too good that it has 66% right now. And you can also see a few more things here, like the recent usage. Here there is the graph that I don't have because I've reset the laptop like yesterday, and yeah, you can have like capacity history and stuff, and I hope that's helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.